Let's take a look through my absolutely amazing collection of vintage secretaries' dresses. And we're starting off strong with this gorgeous bumblebee striped dress. It has huge pockets, which is absolutely amazing. It has slightly puffed sleeves and a phenomenal pussy bow tie-necked neckline. Next up, you will not believe it, but I actually found this dress in the garbage. It was just like laying in the garbage. I cannot believe what people throw out. This is so stunning, so 1970s, and it just needed a bit of mending. Next, we have this one. I'm really not sure. Is it a coat? Is it a dress? I don't know, but it is awesome. It is very, very heavy though, so it's definitely one for the winter months, and it looks adorable with my beret. And here coming up, this is one that I got when I was living in Germany, and I took it from frumpy to absolutely fabulous simply by shortening it. It is a most excellent shirt dress now. This one here, I actually couldn't believe my luck when I spotted it at the thrift shop. The only problem was it was too tight on me. So I went ahead and I upsized it very, very easily using only hand stitches. I love this dress so much. I didn't get it in Germany, but it is from Germany, which is amazing. And it's perfect with my beret and red lipstick. This one here is so totally Electric Dreams 80s. I love it so much, and it's perfect with a scarf. Here's another one that I spotted at the thrift shop and just fell in love with, and I didn't realize till I got it home that it had amazing, amazing pockets, and it's 100% silk, and it is so comfortable. This one here I thrifted online. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has an amazing lace collar, and I think I style it pretty well with my funky chunky boots and my bowler hat.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.